Hello everybody, Moneybag73 here, and Shine the Light 73 as I'm known on my other channel. I've been thinking about this for a long time, and I want to finally do a video on this. Back in 2011, I started tracking these mysterious animal deaths, and I created this blog here, and I had like 170, 180 posts. It just got to be overwhelming covering all of these mass die-offs. We're talking hundreds of tons of fish and hundreds of animals at a time, hundreds of whales and dolphins across the coastlines of different continents. And it got to be overwhelming, and I just kind of stopped paying attention to it some time back. I guess back in 2014. Well, I don't mean to alarm anyone, but it never stopped and actually has picked up. And so I'm going to show you another blog that someone who's done incredible work tracking nonstop from 2011 until now. This year they probably have, I don't know, 100 posts or something. It just has never stopped, and it's ramped up. And I wanted to show you this here, Earth ascending. The Schumann frequency resonance of the Earth has doubled. Now, I just want to point out that I think this has a connection to the Mandela Effect. I believe that we're raising our frequency to match the Earth's frequency as it's changing. The Earth is ascending. The frequency's changing. There's something going on, everyone. I know a lot of you know this. And for people that are pointing out the fact that the Mandela Effect's made up and whatever, well, that's their opinion. They're not experiencing it. Maybe their frequency isn't rising with the planet like ours is. I don't know. That may sound weird to you. That's my opinion. But they can't ignore this. They can't ignore these mass die-offs of animals and the strange noises. All of these strange noises around the planet that I have done videos on in the past. And guess what? That didn't go away either. There's still people throwing videos up on YouTube with these weird horn noises and just like howls and like coming from the sky. And I found something else that you're going to want to see here. But I just wanted to point this out. Only a few years ago, the Earth was vibrating at around 7.8 hertz. But a few days ago, the Schumann frequency hit 16.5. This demonstrates that the Earth itself is changing. She's literally speeding up. The frequency is speeding up. Now, this is from, I wanted to say, how come there's no date here? Oh, this is from last year, about a year and a half ago. So I just wanted to point that out. This here's from a week ago. Mystery pinging sound coming from the Arctic seafloor. So the Canadian Arctic, people in the Canadian Arctic have reported strange noise that seems to be coming from the seafloor. The noise has been described as a pinging sound. The Canadian Armed Forces sent a crew to check it out. There's a lot going on, everyone, and I'm not doing this video to try and scare people. I'm trying to connect some dots here, okay? This Mandela Effect has been an just mind-blowing, incredible thing to deal with the past 8 months. I believe it has to do with vibration and frequency. Everything in this universe has to do with frequency and vibration. Everything's electric. So I just wanted to make some connections here. I wanted to play this for you. I mean, if you haven't seen this stuff, just go to search strange sounds in the sky in YouTube, and you can search for this and you can query it by the most recent. But I wanted to play this for you here. This was from 2 months ago. Now there'll be people telling you these are fake. There's like 1,000 of these videos been put up by people. You can tell they're just turned on their phone and just recording Sure, they could be fake, but I don't think so. Some of you have probably heard this for yourselves. Please leave a comment down below if you've heard this. So it's just like a siren. I mean, there's all the noises are different. It seems to be something with the vibration, the magnetic field, or I don't know. I'm sorry, I don't have the explanation for this, but I know that these things are connected in my heart and in my soul. In my gut feeling is that everything happening is connected. That's my opinion. You don't have to agree with it. That's fine. I wanted to show you this one real quick.
Dude.
From a month and a half ago.
Did you guys hear that?
This could actually be
It's weird. I never heard anything like that before.
from earlier. This is a compilation, so this probably was from earlier this year.
Where's it coming from?
These strange noises coming out of the sky. I mean, you got these mass. This is really going to blow you away. Okay, if you haven't seen this, mass animal deaths for 2016. If you haven't seen this, this will blow you away. There's links for everything. There was recently in New York, let me see if it's on here. I don't think it's on here. Let's go mass fish death, New York. Thousands of dead fish clogged a New York canal. Why? 1 day ago. I mean, the videos on this are incredible. I mean, this here, let me see. Sorry, I didn't have this part prepared, everybody. Thousands of dead fish found floating in the Long Island waters. I saw some videos on this that were just mind-blowing. We're talking so many fish.
Off your favorite products, including all-wood blinds, cellular
But anyway,
shades, and Serenity
please leave
sheer
comments,
shades.
thoughts
Thank
down
you for
below.
making Blinds to Go the go-to store
This
for
here
all your
is
window
an
decorating
incredible
needs.
list.
Blinds to Go, blinds for life.
Incredible list. I mean, it's just mind-blowing, the mass animal die-offs.
Like
322 dead reindeer. This said was a lightning strike. In Norway. One lightning strike. 300 reindeer. Okay, I don't know. And
2,500 on the boat in like 15
but
minutes.
At one point, folks here say
it goes on and on. I couldn't even handle looking at all of it and tracking it. It just got to be too much back in 2013, 2014 when I stopped. But this person, I mean, every day somewhere,
And then you realize
there's just
that
mass. We're talking 86,000 birds, 90 tons of fish. I mean, we're not just talking a few dead birds on the ground.
Oh my God,
We're
what's
talking
happening? Really, like, what's
70
happening?
tons of
What
fish.
happened, it
1
appears, is that the
million
bunker
plus
fish died of a
cattle
lack
have
of
died this
oxygen.
year.
State
Okay, due to
environmental
extreme
officials
weather, that
believe
may not be
predators
some
chased a huge
frequency
school of bunkers
vibration
into the
thing with the
canal,
planet, but
and there were just too many fish.
you could
and
go
not enough
through, you can
oxygen.
look at these. A lot of them are unexplained. They're just mass die-offs.
We
and
actually watched some of
it's
the bunkers
incredible. It's
struggling to
incredible.
breathe
I can't even
before
look. I'm not
dying
even
in
to
the
the
water.
bottom.
State
This is just
environmental crews have taken
2016.
water
And then
samples
on this
to try and
particular,
confirm
I'll link
what
this one
happened.
up here. This has tons of
But all that's
information,
left
and it's
now
got
is
all these
cleaning
ones
up
I
the
was
tens of
recording back in
thousands of fish
2011,
that died.
2012
Thank
that
God
I had
it's
on my
not
blog.
summer. It will be
They got it right
it's gonna
here.
stink
I'll
in
put a
the
link
now,
to
but
this
it's not gonna be
mass
better in
animal
the
die-offs
summertime.
here.
State DEC crews
I just
were on
wanted
the
to make
water
everyone
earlier
aware.
today
I think
taking
this is all
samples to
connected
try
to the
and
Mandela
verify
Effect.
exactly
I
what
could be
happened.
wrong.
There was
It's
another
just my
fish killed
opinion.
just like this one back in
There's
September
incredible
on the
things
north shore
going
of
on,
Long
everybody.
Island in Centerport.
And
Again, tens of
some
thousands
people
of bunker washing up. The cause
never
believed to
really
be
wanted to
exactly
look
the
at this.
same.
They're just
Too many
concerned
fish in
with,
an area with just not enough
who won
oxygen.
the Giants
Along the
game,
Shinnecock
or
Canal tonight, Greg
who
Sergel,
won
News 4 New York.
who won the 49er game, or who won the Houston Astros. That's all they care about. If you love sports, I'm sorry. Don't mean to put you down. I'm just making a point that some people only care about
Once
grown
you go
men throwing a
customer
ball around
appreciation
and
sale,
don't
buy
care
one,
about what's
get one
happening to the
half
planet
off